Okay, so here's my scenario. I've been doing live streams on YouTube for my YouTube channels for the past few years. I have another channel. It's a guitar related one. Maybe you can kind of tell from the background here. I have good internet connection. I've been using decent webcams. I've had a Logitech C920. I currently have a Logitech 930E. And over the years, I got fairly decent video quality, I'd say, but it just wasn't great. It was good, but just not awesome. Just wasn't as good as the camera I'm using right now, which is my main camera. It's a Sony AX53 camcorder. I was aware that there is a way to do web streaming with this camera, but I just didn't know the options. There's so many different pieces of hardware out there. I didn't know what to pick. So I asked a friend of mine, Shane, who runs another YouTube channel, tech channel. You can check it out. I'll put the link up there. I said to Shane, hey Shane, you have a tech channel and you're from Australia? And he said, yes. I said, so does the water in the toilet spin the other way? Because I saw that in The Simpsons. And he's like, what? I said, what's the best option for connecting my good camera for live streams? And he said, Camlink 4K. It's from Elgato. I got the box here. And that conversation might not have happened exactly like that because I can't do an Australian accent very well. I just wanted something dead simple, and this thing is dead simple. Meaning, like, you just plug it in to your camera, you plug it into USB, and that's it. There's nothing to install, and it works. So let's take a look at what you get with it. We'll take a look at the setup, and then we'll compare my web camera, which I was using, versus my Sony AX53, just to give you a good comparison side by side. All right, let's open up the pack. Let's take a look exactly what you get inside. This is probably this is one of the best parts of getting something new, is opening the packaging. I don't know why. I don't like watching unboxings, but I like doing them. Does that make sense? So you get a cable, you get some instructions, you get a sticker, and you get the Camlink 4K, which looks like a USB dongle. Basically it is. You got USB on that side, and you got your HDMI on that side. And here's the extension cable that comes with, which is great because you might not have a cable that's long enough to reach to your USB on your computer, depending on your setup. So here's my AX53. Here's the extension cable. Here's my HDMI cable out that's going out from my camera, and HDMI into the Camlink 4K, and then USB. Hey, good job showing it off camera. Well, we all know how to use a USB cable, hopefully. So there you go. Anyways, the moral of the story is get the Camlink 4K if you're like me and you just want something super simple. Cameras are not my forte or my specialty. I'm not tech savvy in cameras yet. I always want to learn and improve, so hopefully one day. If you did want to get the Camlink 4K, links are in the description. You can go check that out. And now all I can really think about is the toilet water in Australia. So,